Well, we've always had a gymnasium in our houses, and my wife and I worked out on a daily basis. Then my daughter was trying to get certification as a trainer at Limitless, and she made me go over there and start working out. And that's actually where I met you. I think it's the best club I've ever gone to. It's fun. It's quite social. It's just been a pleasure to come here. Well, I guess I can say a couple of them. I had a heart attack in May of 2023, and I had a pretty quick recovery from that. And I love to play golf, and I've got strength back in my arms, which is a good thing. And my golf game's gotten better. Well, I think the biggest thing is that the more you work out, the sharper you are. I think mentally it's really good for somebody at this age to be doing it. Well, it's the best club I've ever worked out in, I think, for one. And the other thing is I see too many people my age that are just sitting around doing nothing, and coming to a place like this could do them a lot of benefit. You know, I hit 80 in March, and I feel pretty good. And I think they could too if they came here.